Alright guys, we got one today. Driver complains that his air conditioner is not working too good. It works for a little while and then quits working. Stops blowing cold air. And this is usually the what's wrong with it right in here. I'll get the cover out. Come on. That shouldn't be that much of a struggle to get that out of there. That's pretty bad. And this is a new one. That's the part number. Put this in there. There, it's out. Very hard to do with one hand. These have a direction, so it's supposed to be coming this way. Just put this new one in there, like so, and put this back on there. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.